The PantoRouter, a joinery machine like no other, makes fine woodworking fast, foolproof, and flawless. Perfect fitting mortise and tenons of all sizes. Variable space dovetails in any array. Precise box joints. Compound angles made easy. And any custom joint you can imagine. Go from setup to glue up in minutes. The magic is in the motion. The Pantograph arm follows templates and cuts joinery at half scale for incredible precision and unmatched safety and control. 2-in-1 templates cut both parts of a joint, guaranteeing a flawless fit. Guide bearing is trapped for foolproof mortises. Bearing rides the outside of the template for matching tenons, with tapered edges allowing tiny adjustments and guaranteeing a flawless fit. Other templates deliver the same precision and repeatability, with amazing dust collection for zero mess. Be a part of the story. Matthias Wandel's invention goes viral. Kuldeep Singh develops a fully featured commercial version. And Mac Sheldon brings it to market from Oregon, USA. Users worldwide continue to unlock the potential of the PantoRouter, and we continue to add templates and accessories. Learn more at PantoRouter.com, including how-to guides and sale prices on our most popular packages. Welcome to a new world of woodworking.